Annotations and Callouts in Camtasia Studio. What are annotations? Annotations or callouts are simple graphics. They are useful to get the attention of the viewer to specific objects and processes or specific tools on the screen. If you want to highlight a particular part of the screen, you can use annotations and callouts. You can add simple effects like blur, highlights, and interactive hotspots, and many more. The most common use are arrows, blurs, and circle effects, and all those things. And how to access them? You need to click on the Annotations tab and sub-tab. These are the sub-tabs. And once after selecting, see these symbols indicates very clearly these are callouts. These are arrows and lines. These are shapes. These are blurs and highlights. These are sketch motion. And these are keystroke callouts. Camtasia Studio is very good in annotations and callouts. You can see very clearly simple drag and drop to apply a callout. If you want to title anything, you can interactively change the size of. If you see closely, so this is automatically added. You can interactively change the duration of this. That is simple bubble. This is cloud. The same thing. You can change the style from abstract to basic, bold, urban. So this is one style. You can specifically get the attention of the viewer to this text. Next one is arrows. Abstract arrows, basic arrows. You can change the arrow like this to wherever you want. See, that appears. You can change the length, direction very interactively. Bold, urban, abstract. These are self-explanatory. And shapes. If you want to create simple animations or simple graphics in the software, see this is one shape. Hold down shift and it increases in size or decreases in size equally. And you can place wherever you want. In animation video, we are going to tell you how to animate these things. They can rotate, they can move. You can watch that video. Simply select and delete. When I am deleting, if you want to highlight that, use these strokes. For example, you want to show on the screen what kind of keyboard you are using. Here you have to type. Whatever the stroke you want to show, select this, click here, shift M. Automatically they get updated here. And you can change the style, gray color, clear, outline, and blurs. If you want to blur something on the screen, you can use this. It makes everything black. For example, at this point, I want to show only this part. Remaining everything you want to make it, see that. That is spotlight. If you want to blur this, just apply this and they'll become blurred. For example, you are teaching how to fill a government form. You don't want to show your details. You want to tell how to fill the form, but you should not tell your emails or Gmails and your bank account details or something like that. At that time, you can, in the editing part, you can blur those details like this. And these are most commonly used callouts, sketch motion, for showing like this at that particular moment, this effect. Even you can use arrows, you can rotate them, see that, something like that. Shapes, you can use different types of shapes to make complex, you can change the color of these things. Callouts are very easy to use, but they are very efficient in communication. So try to use them properly in your screencast videos.